Sophie? Sophie, can you get this, Sophie? Sophie, can you open my bag? Sophie, can you open my bag, please?
Sophie?
Can you open my bag?
Sophie, can you open her bag?
Look at my bag here. I have something here. Here. There you go. Look at mommy.
It's okay, I'm taking a video. Sophie, you wanna go see the castle? When we started walking and saw this part, she said, "We're here!"
Alright, let's go to the castle. Let's go to the castle right now.
Yeah.
Wanna take this?
Going to the castle.
Try it again.
Sophie, is it beautiful? Yeah.
We're getting closer.
Yeah, you're right. We're getting closer. Wow.
I'm surprised she's not wearing a princess dress.
I brought one.
you did
So,
bring it?
yeah, she can wear it tomorrow when we have breakfast with the princesses. What'd you say, honey?
So we're close.
There's ducks.
What? You want to touch it?
Well, yes, it is.
Wow, we're so close.
I thought you were Doc, pick it up, pick it up.
You want to touch it? Ooh, you touched the castle. Wow. Oh, and look at the horses. You want to ride the horses? That could be a good first ride. The carousel. Okay. Yeah, let's go inside the castle, sweetheart.
So slow.
Look, see? This is Sleeping Beauty's castle, sweetheart.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, it's dark, Will. We'll turn it off.